Now that we have completed the rooms, there are still some fine adjustments to do. For instance, if you look at the bathroom, the front wall is actually pushed a little back and it's separated into two spaces. So what I will do, let's zoom in on the bathroom. This wall here, I'm actually going to push it back. So I'm looking at the measurements there, so I'm going to push it back 0.5 of a meter. Right. And I'm going to go to draw wall and I'm going to separate it into two, but it's not going to be equal because I need more room for the bathroom than the toilet. So there. Remember, press escape to stop the draw wall. Right, we may make an adjustment as we move along. Also, if we look at the kitchen, there is no wall in the front. So what I'm going to do, click on the wall, and we are looking at the thickness. Right now it says 15 centimeters. I'm going to put that thickness down to 0. So now there is no wall. So let's see how that looks. 3D view. Alright, so there is no wall for the kitchen. Right, so we could do the same thing here, but actually I want to put something else in that space there. So right, so we have made the adjustments. Now what we want to do is get the doors and the windows. So I'm going to grab my door from on this side because the door is actually on this side here. Now it's saying my door is 0.98 meters wide. It's not, we don't need it to be that wide. So it's actually going to be 90 centimeters wide. So there I've adjusted my door. Now by clicking on the door, we could actually do different things. We could actually flip the direction where the door opens. This would be for copy, but before I copy, alright, back to the door, we can also change the color of the door. Have the frame, you can change the color of the frame, and we can actually change the color of the door itself. Alright, of course you wouldn't see that in the plan. If we go to the 3D view, alright, the door now has a color. Alright, so this would be an external door. How many external doors we have? We have 1, 2, 3. One in the living room, one in the kitchen, and a back door. So I'm going to copy and place one for the kitchen, flip it to open, and we're going to copy again, and there's one for the back door. Also going to change direction. Alright, so that's doors for the external doors. Then we have doors for the bedroom. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to place it for the bedroom. Going to flip it. Right, now the bedroom doors are 80 centimeters wide, so I'm going to change the dimension. Right, and we have 2 of them, so I'm going to copy. Right, and I'm going to change the direction of the opening. We try to get the doors opening against the walls. So next we have the bathroom doors. So I'm going to do a copy again, and this time the bathroom door, the width is 70, and we have 2 of them. Copy, one for the toilet and one for the shower. Right, what we need now, windows. Hope if you make a mistake, remember you always have undo. So the windows themselves, this would be the size, the width of the window that we're working with is 120. So, and we have 3 windows for the living room and 2 for the bathroom. So what we're going to do, we're just going to copy and place these windows. If you're using a tablet and you click the copy function, you may not see any change, but what has happened is that you have one window is on top of the other window. If you try to move the window, you're going to see that the window moves and the window below stays. So we copy all the windows. Alright, we also have some smaller windows, 1, 2, 3 smaller windows, 1 for the kitchen and 2 for the bathroom and the toilet. So using the same window style again, I'm gonna copy and bring it on the bathroom wall. Of course, that window is too large for the bathroom, so I'm gonna actually reduce it. It's gonna be half of that, which is gonna be 60. And once we have that window, let's reposition it, copy, there's one for the shower and one for the kitchen here. So I'm going to place it there, shift the door around slightly, so there we have it, the windows and doors for the plan.